and then here's Boris, and Boris is gonna pick up a lizard.
What? No.
Pick it up. No, pick it up. Come on, just pick one up. Pick this one up. It's more shy. It's almost more like
Good tail.
oh, dang, it's
Jeez.
wiggly. He picks up a skink. Here, you say I'll give him a video.
Good. You pick it up now.
Feisty. Oh, move his tail. Ah, dang, it's slippery. How do you pick that up, dude? I got it. Look at skink. There. Oh, he's doing whoa! It's break dancing. Look at him go. It's going break dancing.
Drop him. It's like they're boys and girls.
I think they are. They have babies. Ew. That's close up. Okay, bye.